Namaste, I am Minnie and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are preparing one of the most famous Indian recipes, Aloo Gobi. If you are from India or like Indian cuisine, you would definitely know this incredibly yummy recipe. So let's get started. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can reduce it if you like. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. You will see that the cumin seeds will start to crackle. Now add 1 small finely chopped onion. Let it cook over medium heat till it turns slightly golden brown. Make sure to stir it in between so it doesn't burn or stick to the pan. See how the onion is reduced to almost half. Add 7 to 8 grated garlic cloves. Let it cook over low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. If you have seen my previous videos, you would know that I always tell you to cook the garlic over low heat as it can get burnt quickly and spoil the taste of the whole recipe. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can always adjust the spices according to your taste. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes over low heat. Then add 1 medium chopped tomato to the pan. You can also use tomato puree. Let it cook over low or medium heat till the oil starts to ooze out of the tomatoes. You can even cook this recipe without tomatoes. I like to add it, but it's completely optional and can be omitted on busy days. After a couple of minutes, you'll see that the oil is oozing out of the tomatoes and they are softened. Give it a mix and add 1 small roughly chopped potato, followed by half teaspoon of salt. Mix the potatoes well with the spices till they are entirely coated. The salt will speed up the cooking process of the potatoes. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and don't forget to subscribe for other easy and delicious vegan recipes. You can also click on the bell icon to receive updates every time there is a new recipe video uploaded. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes over low or medium-low heat. You can always check it in between, and if you feel that it might burn, just add splashes of water or 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. We need to cook this till the potato is at least 90% cooked. Cover again and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the cover and give it a quick mix and then try to break the potato. I had to apply a little bit of pressure. It's not 100% cooked, so that's perfect. Now it's time to add the cauliflower and mix it well with the spices. I have taken a small cauliflower for the recipe. And I almost forgot to add the salt. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt and mix. Then cover and cook the cauliflower for another 8 to 10 minutes over medium or low heat. Check the progress of the cauliflower in between and cook till it's completely well done. Once done, add some finely chopped cilantro or coriander leaves and mix. Finally, cook it over high heat for 2 to 3 minutes and add some more coriander and cilantro leaves. The dry Aloo Gobi vegetable is ready. You can serve this with chapati, naan, pita bread, or even with rice as a side dish. Aloo Gobi is popular in Indian and Pakistani cuisines. It's also one of the most popular Indian dishes prepared in restaurants and home. Usually in restaurants, they fry the potato and cauliflowers first and then add it to the spices. But this recipe is plain and simple home style. So if you like today's recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for easy and delicious vegan recipes. I will see you soon with another interesting dish. Until then, bye.